Hey guys, this is Aubrey Kipp, Market Mover TV, just giving you an update on the market. So starting with the Dow Jones Industrial or the diamonds, which I track, same thing. Just want to point out, look at where this price was when this peak hit here. You notice that? Same. Notice that the stock is below this point, but yet on the weekly chart indicator, the diamond is through the roof. This is what I call a dramatic divergence. The weekly wants to call this index back maybe into the 1200 range, somewhere around there. So what we saw today really was not a surprise. If we take a look at this, the daily chart has turned up here on today's price action. But what turns the daily chart is the hourly. 2 days ago or two trading days ago, I mentioned that some strength or short-term strength was coming into the market. So here we have a double bottom same, but on the second bottom, same, not the same, sharply higher, which was telling us right at this point that the price was going to shoot up, and that's exactly what happened. Let's take a look at the opposite VIX. Let me go to the VIX chart, just the opposite here. Had many traders call a head and shoulders. This would be the head and two shoulders. But notice on the second shoulder here, significantly damaged. And so ultimately the VIX or measure of fear collapsed, which caused the market to go higher. Let's take a look at the VIX daily chart. VIX daily chart right now is almost at a 1, 2, 3, 4, almost kind of like a quadruple bottom. So at this area where we're at, this is an upside divergence on the VIX daily chart, but right now the daily is still turned down. And if you look at the weekly chart on the VIX, let me move some of this out of your way. Okay, just give me a minute. See how the VIX here on the weekly right here is turned down, and it's leading the ETF below the previous lows here. So we'll just have to wait and see if that daily is even able to turn up, because the higher chart is suggesting lower prices before any type of recovery comes. So we'll just have to watch and see how that develops. But for right now, we just see the strength continuing in the market unless something happens to turn this daily up, and that's going to have to happen with the hourly chart. And as of right now, all we see is just weakness. That's the update on the market. Let's just take a quick look at the SPY. Similar thing to the Dow. Beautiful upside divergence here on the chart. The indicator leading sharply higher, which is what led to the price shooting up. This has turned the daily chart slightly up here on the daily chart. So if this daily strength continues, then the power that we see on this weekly chart, which is wanting to accelerate the index far above this price level right here, that very well may continue. So we just have to watch and see. But as for right now, calls are good. I'll do another post and update you on my Lennar trade. Talk to you later. Aubrey Kipp.